how the hell do I attract partners? How am I gonna get someone to give me $50, $100, $150,000? That sounds crazy. Hey, this is Matt Pichet, the Fruitful Investor and your investing coach. And today's video is about how to raise capital for you to continue investing in real estate. Now, there are really two ways of doing this, and I'll go over them really quickly, but this is a really popular question. Everybody always asks, Matt, how do you buy so many properties? How is it even possible to continue buying properties after a certain point? Now, here's how you do it. Number one, you can use the equity in your home or your other rental property. So you can do a line of credit or refinance your home or your rental properties to pull some money out that you kind of gained over the years and paid down, and use that money to continue buying other properties. But there's one problem with that. Canadian banks are extremely tight and risk adverse, and for the most part, with single family specifically, once you reach a certain point, usually for most people around 3 to 4 properties, the banks start saying no to you. So it doesn't matter how much money you have, it's really hard to continue qualifying for single family properties. Now, there are some key mortgage brokers out there who specialize with investors who can help navigate and help you a little more, but really there comes a certain point where you hit a wall and it doesn't matter how much money you have, you can't buy another property. So that leads to option number 2, which is finding a partner. Now, this is absolutely key. This is how investors like myself and other investors buy 10, 20, 30, 40 and more properties. They're using partners, okay? So the most common split is 50-50. You put in 50% of the money, the other partner puts in 50% of the money, and maybe you both qualify for the mortgage. But there's another problem. Again, you can't qualify for a certain point, so you need somebody else to qualify for the mortgage at a certain point. Now for me, I'll show you a quick breakdown of how I structure my partnerships. So my partners who want to invest with me have to put up 100% of the money. They put up all the money. They have to buy the property, pay for the renovations, and qualify for the mortgage. So I'm an off-title partner. So they're qualified for the mortgage and putting in all the money. Now, on closing day, I take over completely. So I manage the renovations, I do the home inspection, manage that, I did the offer, I negotiated the deal, okay? Now I'm managing the whole renovation. I'm using my team of contractors, I'm using my renovation color schemes and my proven strategies on how to attract tenants. So I'm giving my partner all of that. On top of that, I'm also taking care of the tenants the whole time, making sure everything is good. I'm finding the tenants. Basically, I'm doing all of the work that goes involved with running a real estate business. On top of that, I'm also coaching them one-on-one. As long as my partner is a partner with me, I am their real estate coach for the whole time that we're a partner. So this is how I attract other real estate investing partners, okay? So it is an absolutely necessary way and the best way to grow your business quickly. You have to have partners at a certain point. So a lot of people do is that they buy as many properties as they can at the beginning to build up a track record, if you will, and a portfolio to then go out and attract partners. Now you might be asking, how the hell do I attract partners? How am I gonna get someone to give me $50, $100, $150,000? That sounds crazy. There are really two ways, and they're based mainly on your personality. Remember, you want to do what you're already naturally good at. You don't want to do something that you suck at and spend time doing. Yes, you want to be competent in some areas, but you really want to be focusing on what you're really good at. So, two things. Are you an extrovert or are you an introvert? This really decides which route you should take strategically. If you're an extrovert, that means you love to be around people, you love meeting people and talking to people. You probably will do much better by going to real estate meetings or holding seminars and being at the front of the stage and, you know, expressing your knowledge and stuff. So that's the really key thing. If you're an extrovert, that's likely how you're gonna get money, is by going out there and hustling and talking to people. Now, for other people like myself, the other personality type is an introvert, okay? We don't really like doing that. It's awkward for us. I don't really like going to real estate meetings and talking to strangers. I like talking to people I already know very well. So that's not really my thing. What I'm good at is this, online marketing. Right now, I just advertised to you. If you're thinking about partnering with someone like me in Kitchener-Waterloo, I just advertised to you. I told you how I'm gonna do it, why I'm doing it, how many properties I own and whatnot. Okay, so video marketing, online marketing, writing blogs, making videos, email marketing, that is the secret for an introvert to get people to come to you. So the extrovert goes out there and he hustles and he finds people. The introvert puts up his knowledge online and people come to him or her. So that's really the two ways. So if you're an extrovert, go out there, hustle, tell people how good you are and show them your track record, tell them your knowledge. If you're an introvert, show the world your knowledge and give out free content online, and people will naturally raise their hand and say, hey, I want to partner with you. I want to give you money. I like what you're doing. You sound like you know what you're doing. You've proven it with your videos and your property walkthroughs or whatever. I'm going to give you money, okay? So that's the tip. A lot of people are not going to tell you what I just told you, but that's the best way to find partners, okay? So figure out what personality type you are, what comes naturally to you. Maybe you can do both. Maybe you're good at both. But speaking strategically, normally you have one personality type that you're more so gonna fall in line with or go to more. You're either an extrovert or an introvert. So play up those strengths and go out there and find money. If you like this video, if you learned anything, please click like right below here. And don't forget to subscribe so you can get more of these awesome videos every single week. See you in the next video.
Put your money in that real estate.
Hey, before you click another video, I want to give you some free stuff. You like free stuff, right? Click on the first link below this video and get my book, Single Family Investing Made Simple, absolutely free. Read as I walk a real-life client through the entire investing process from start to finish and document it for you. Click on the second link and get my other book, The Real Estate Investor's Handbook to Freedom. This book is a must-have for any investor looking to take their business and life to the next level. And last but not least, get my third and best book, 101 Single Family Investing Tips. Inside, you'll find 101 proven and tested investment strategies that I use every single day in my business in order to grow my wealth and manage my portfolio. I hope you take advantage of all the knowledge below, and don't forget to click like and subscribe so we can get more of these awesome tips. See you in the next video.